Main activity.java code overview. This is an Android calculator app that performs basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and maintains a history of calculations. Key features: UI components, text view, display text, to show input and results. Buttons for digits, 0 to 9, operators, plus, times, divided by, equals, clear, see, delete, del, and history. Functionality: digit input, appends digits to the display. Resets display if an operator or a result is already shown. Operator handling, stores the first operand and operator when an operator button is clicked. Calculation, computes the result when the equals button is clicked. Handles division by 0 and displays results with proper formatting. Clear/delete, clears the display or deletes the last digit. History, saves calculations in shared preferences and opens a history activity to view past calculations. Helper methods, format number, formats numbers to remove decimal places if they are whole numbers. Add to history, saves calculations in shared preferences for history tracking. Key variables: first operand, stores the first number for calculations. Operator, stores the current operator, plus, times, divided by. Is operator clicked, tracks if an operator was clicked. Is result displayed, tracks if a result is currently displayed. Workflow: user inputs digits and selects an operator. On clicking equals, the app calculates the result, formats it, and updates the display. Calculations are saved in history for future reference. Activity main.xml code. Layout overview. This XML file defines the UI for the calculator app. It uses a linear layout with a vertical orientation and a custom background, at drawable/pg1. Key components: app bar, contains a toolbar with a title, calculator app, styled with a purple background and white text. Display text, a text view, display text, for showing input and results. Styled with a semi-transparent background, large text size, and right-align text. Calculator buttons, organized in a grid layout with 4 columns and 5 rows. Includes buttons for digits, 0 to 9, operators, plus, times, divided by, clear, see, delete, del, equals, and history. Buttons are styled with a pink background, black text, and a custom font. Adlam display. History button, a wider button at the bottom with a purple background and white text to navigate to the history screen. Spacing, a view with layout _weight = 1 is used to push the grid layout to the bottom of the screen. Styling and layout colors, uses predefined colors, at color/purple, at color/pink, at color/white, at color/black. Font, applies a custom font, Adlam display, to all buttons and text. Padding/margin, adds padding and margin for better spacing and alignment.
History.xml code layout overview. This XML file defines the UI for the history screen of the calculator app. It uses a linear layout with a vertical orientation and the same background at drawables/bg1 as the main activity. Key components: app bar, contains a toolbar with the title Calculation History, styled with a purple background and white text. History display, a scroll view wraps a text view, text history, to display the calculation history. The text view uses a custom font, Adlam display, white text, and italic style for better readability. Clear history button, a button at the bottom to clear the history, styled with a pink background, purple text, and the same custom font. Styling and layout colors, uses predefined colors, at purple, color pink, colors white. Font, applies the custom font Adlam display to the text view and button. Spacing, adds padding and margin for better alignment and readability.
History.java code history activity overview. This activity displays and manages the calculation history stored in shared preferences. It allows users to view and clear the history. Key features: UI components, text view, text history, to display the calculation history. Button, clear history button, to clear the history. Functionality, load history, retrieves the history from shared preferences and displays it in a formatted way. Clear history, deletes the history from shared preferences and updates the UI. Shared preferences, uses quick math prefs to store and retrieve the history string under the key history. Key methods: load history, fetches the history string. If history exists, formats and displays it. Otherwise, shows no history available. Format history string history, splits the history string into individual entries. Clear history, clears the history from shared preferences. Updates the text view to show history cleared and displays a toast message. Workflow: on activity creation, the history is loaded and displayed. Clicking the clear history button removes the history and updates the UI. Open the calculator in which all basic arithmetic operations are available. in which also add the reset button and last digit button. Open the history. We can see all history is available, in which we also clear the history.